Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So for today's video, pupunta po tayo sa... pauwi na pala galing sa auntie ng aking alaga na si Haifa.
Hey, do عشان في YouTube channel.
Last way, mama. Yeah. Nandito kami sa... What happened? Here. Yan. Going to home.
Where my watch?
Going home, guys. Going kami sa Almarca Village.
Where's my watch?
I don't know. It's here. Oh, wow, it's amazing. Hey, amazing, guys. Yeah, ito to tayo guys sa road ng Riyadh. Haifa, your head. Not good in the YouTube, Haifa.
Yeah, I know. عشان YouTube channel. يلا وين هذا؟
It's amazing. I don't know.
Where are the people?
Wow, amazing. شو هذا التاور يا أنكو زين؟
هذا هوتيل.
هوتيل.
هذا سعودي جيرمان هوسبيتال.
Yeah, so the German hospital, guys, and they're here.
Hello, my YouTube channel.
So, sabi ng driver namin, mag-video daw ako. Naka-music sila, bawal yun, di ba? Kasi copyright sa YouTube. So, pina-close niya talaga kinlose niya yung music niya para maka-video ko. Yan, kasama namin ng wife niya, guys. Haifa!
My YouTube channel. Hello, my YouTube channel.
So, bye guys! See you again! Thank you! Hope you enjoyed the video kasi ang ingay po guys ng aking alaga, nakikigaya siya, nagbablog din daw siya, may pahilo-hilo guys pa siyang nalalaman sa parin ko siya. So, bye! Thank you guys! Thank you everyone! Have a good day! Guys, night pala.